Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have a brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper performance specification. Take a look at this very cool Model Y that we just finished wrapping using TMaxx metallic electric blue color change PPF film. Now, there's a lot of benefits to wrapping your Tesla. Number one, you probably just want to go ahead and protect the paint from road rash, rock chips, and unnecessary trips to the body shop. And TMaxx offers a gloss clear PPF solution as well as a satin clear. But what TMaxx is really known for is over 70 color change PPF film. So you get to protect your paint, but you also get to go ahead and change the color of your Tesla. And while Tesla offers a wide range of beautiful colors, you're kind of limited. And this is where TMaxx really shines, especially this color, metallic electric blue. And then when the sun hits it, you could see the metallic come alive, and really, this is a very special shade of blue. Now, at night or in the shade, it's actually got a really nice deep blue colorway to it. So I love this color. Blue's definitely growing on me. I've been talking about it in a lot of recent videos. This customer chose this color, and you can't even tell what was underneath, and that's because we are experts at wrapping Teslas. We roll the edges, we're very meticulous about it, and as you can see, this actually came out really nice. Now, we didn't stop there. This customer decided to go ahead and downsize from the 21-inch performance wheels that came with the car to our 19-inch directional flow-forged TSH wheels finished in satin black. And the reason why he wanted to downsize is because, number one, wanted a better ride, a little bit more comfortable, also lower maintenance, the ability to go ahead and replace tires and have a lot more tire options, rotating now front to rear to make sure that you have a longer lifespan on your tires, and overall it's just a little bit more affordable to maintain. So he still has the performance of the vehicle itself, but without the performance wheels. Those were 21-inch, he downsized to 19-inch. A lot of people are doing that, makes a lot of sense. To finish it all off, we went ahead and applied TMaxx ceramic coating to the complete exterior of the vehicle. Starting off with the wrap to go ahead and help prevent wrap degradation. It takes the warranty from 7 years to 10 years, which is really great. And then we also applied it to the wheels, to the glass, and to ensure for easier cleanup. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.